Good morning, students. Today we are going to discussing about unit number 3, that is polymers. What is meant by polymers? Before going to discussing about this, the word polymer is derived from Greek language. In Greek language, poly equal to many and mer means units. In Greek language, poly equal to many and mer means units. By using this terminology, we are going to discussing about the definition of polymer. What is the definition of polymer? Number of small molecules are combined to form large molecule, and this large molecule is named as polymer. Number of small molecules are combined to form large molecule, and this large molecule is named as polymer. Here it is number of small molecules, number of individual molecules. These individual molecules are combined to form large molecule. This is the basic syllabus, basic version in chemistry. Now we are going to entering about the pure syllabus, that is in chemistry wise small molecules is called as monomers and large molecule is called as polymer. Now itself we are discussing about monomers and polymers. Simply we are recognizing this. So monomers are small molecules and polymers are large molecule. Classification of polymers. Polymers are classified into two types. One is nothing but homopolymers and another one is nothing but heteropolymers. What is meant by homopolymers? In general English terminology, the meaning of homo is nothing but same. So, same type of monomer molecules are combined to form polymers, and this polymers is said to be homopolymers. See, for example, ethylene. Ethylene is converted into polyethylene. Teflon is converted into polyteflon. Here we are discussing about two different examples. One is nothing but ethylene and another one is nothing but Teflon. Okay, see Nana, ethylene molecule. Here N indicates number of. Here number of means either maybe 100 or 1000 or 10,000 or 1 lakh. Number of ethylene molecules are converted into polyethylene. So how it is changed? Ethylene. Here double bond. Double bond is converted into single bond. And front లో ఉన్న N వచ్చి back లో జాయిన్ అవుతుంది. So this is the basic information you should learn about this polymers topic, Nana. So how to change the reaction mechanism? Double bond is converted into single bond. Front part లో ఉన్న N వచ్చి back part లో వచ్చి జాయిన్ అవుతుంది. By breaking of this brackets indicates number of molecules joined in front side and number of molecules joins in back side. Next, similar to another example, Teflon. CF2 double bond CF2. Here also double bond and also N present. So double bond is converted into single bond. And N front side లో ఉన్న N వచ్చి back side లో జాయిన్ అవుతుంది. So Teflon is converted into polyteflon. So another one that is nothing but heteropolymers. Different types of monomer molecules are combined to form polymer. Example వచ్చి nylon 6,6. Nylon 6,6. How it is formed nylon 6,6? Hexamethylene. Hexamethylene. CH2 taken 6 times NH2. Here it is also NH2. Here CH2. Okay, first of all, what is CH4? CH4 is nothing but methane. Okay, what is CH3? CH3 is nothing but methyl. And what is CH2? CH2 is nothing but methylene. CH2 is nothing but methylene. Here CH2 is present. So how many CH2s? 6 CH2s. 6 is nothing but hexa. Hexamethylene. Hexa CH2 is nothing but methylene. Hexamethylene. NH2 group is called as amine group. So here two NH2 groups are present. That's why it is named as diamine. Hexamethylene diamine. Similar to another compound. CH2. Already we know CH2 is called as methylene. How many methylene groups? 4 methylene groups. Tetramethylene. 4 indicates tetra. Tetramethylene. C double bond OH. C double bond OH group is nothing but called as a carboxylic group. How many carboxylic group? 2 carboxylic group. That's why it is named as a dicarboxylic acid. Tetramethylene dicarboxylic acid. Okay, these two are combined to form nylon 6,6. See, this hydrogen and this OH combined one water molecule. This hydrogen and this OH combined another water molecule. So totally 2 water molecules get eliminated. So number of kabatti 2NH2O. So simply by eliminating of this orange color groups, the remaining molecule simply, here hydrogen get eliminated, remaining NH. CH2 taken 6 times, CH2 taken 6 times, NH. So again we have to NH. By combining molecule, here OH get eliminated. So directly joined with C double bond O. And it is CH2 taken 4 times. And here it is also CH2 taken 4 times. And here it is C double bond O taken N times. That is nylon 6,6. The name of this molecule is nylon 6,6.